Hello, everybody. I hope everybody is doing great. Welcome to this skill amazing workshop. And today it's a party theme, huh? Your favorite, my favorite, everybody's favorite cartoon character. Which it is? It's a beam. देखो आया beam beam. देखो आया beam beam. Yes, children. So it's a Chota Bheem. We all love Chota Bheem, right? Do you all love Chota Bheem? Yes or no? Yes, 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 yes. That's amazing. Give me a high five in the air. Wonderful children. So we have a whole family of Bheem, right? Chota Bheem, Raju, Chutki, all the family members are your favorite, isn't it? So today's class, we are going to make Bheem theme bookmarks. Yes, your favorite, my favorite, everybody's favorite. So come on everybody, let's get started. So keep your paper, keep your sheet in a sleeping position. Okay, everyone? I want all my children to keep their sheet in a sleeping position. And we are going to make a bookmark. Okay, we will make a stick, a colorful stick, and on that, a face of a Chota Bheem or a Chutki will come on that. Okay, so make accordingly, children. So anywhere over here, we are going to draw Chota Bheem. It's going to be really very easy, huh? Just follow the steps. Come on. Try to draw it along with me. Draw it with a pencil, children. I want my children to draw it with a pencil. Later on, you can trace it with the sketch pen. Okay? Come on. What are we going to do? Just make a V like this. See, just make a V like this. I hope it is clearly visible to you all. Just make a V like this. Then, from one end, make a curve and come down. From the other end, make a curve and come down like this. Okay? We have just made a V, one curve, another curve. Okay? I want all my children to do along with me. Yes? Then we can just make chubby cheeks of Chota Bheem. Go back again up and make a curve like this. Okay, these are the cute little cheeks of Chhota Bheem. We have just made a curve, take a turn and make a curve again. Got it everyone? Super. Now let's move ahead and let's make a slant line, make a curve and come back again. This is how the head of Chhota Bheem is going to be, okay? Slant line, sleeping line and again a slant line. Wonderful, wonderful. This is how it's going to look like, okay? And over here, we can just make a curve for the ears. Over here also, we can just make a curve for the ears. And the cute little ears are ready. And now it's time to make amazing cute little eyes. So for that, what are we going to do is just make one bumpy line, make another bumpy line. Okay. On that, make a curve on both the sides like this. Okay. Just make a curve. We can even make eyebrows and we are just going to fill it up with the black color. Don't fill it up with a pencil. You can later on fill it up with the sketch pen like this. See, we will just fill it up nicely with the sketch pen. Okay, just fill it up nicely with the sketch pen. And it's done. Now we are going to make a nosy and we will make a smiley too. Okay, and our cute little brain is ready. So now what you can do is you can also trace the full drawing with a sketch pen and then we can erase the pencil mark, children. Okay, we can erase the pencil mark with an eraser, but be very careful that you don't spoil your work. Now what we can do is we can just take a pinkish color or a skin color sketch pen and we are just going to color it. I'm going to color it with the yellow ochre color. Okay. And I'm just going to color it nicely everywhere. Come on, everybody. Take the colors and color it everywhere nicely. Make sure that it doesn't go out of the border. You need to be a little careful while coloring, okay? I want all my children to color it along with me, but make sure that you don't make it messy and blow it. Yes. Whenever we color any portion, we need to be careful that we don't spoil our work and we do not leave any white space. Okay? Don't leave any white space. And we have to do like this. Okay? Now coming to the hair portion. So for the hair, I am just going to give brown strokes. You can also color the hair with the brown color. Okay? Yes. You can use sketch pen, you can use crayons, anything, whatever is available with you, you can use that. And it is done. Okay? Now what we can do is, if you want to trace this again, the whole face, you can just take a small sketch pen, that is a pointed sketch pen, and you can try tracing the eyes again like this. You can just trace it again, okay? So that it looks beautiful. Yes, nicely, okay? See, just trace the whole picture again with the sketch pen. Nice. And it's done. I am again going to take a whitener or something so that I can just put white dot over here in the eyes. Okay, like this. And we will allow it to dry. So see, the cute little face of Chhota Bheem is ready. We will cut it, we will decorate it, we will make a stick, but later on. Now let's move ahead, allow it to dry for some time, and let's move ahead and let's make cute little Chutki, Chhota Bheem's friend, right? Yes. So come on, all my girls and my dear boys, we are going to make Chutki. Okay. So for that, we are just going to make a curve first of all. Come on, everybody. Let's make a cute little curve. Okay. Be very prominent in making curve. It should not be crooked. The stroke should be perfect. Okay. It should not move here and there. It should be perfect stroke. Done. Then what are we going to do? We are just going to make cute little ears. Just make cute little ears like this. And we can just make a curvy face. Make it a little chubby, huh? Because Chutki has a very chubby face, isn't it? Yes, so just make one cup. Got it? Then let's move ahead and let's make one more curve. And in the center, we can just make a sleeping line like this. Got it, everyone? Super. It's looking really amazing, isn't it? Yes. Now we all know that Chutki ties cute little ponytails on both the sides, isn't it? So for that, we will just make curves like this. See, just make curves and the end portion, that is a wavy line. Over here also, just make 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 curves and make a wavy line like this. Okay, so two cute little ponytail of Chutki are ready. Yes. Now let's move ahead and let's make cute little eyes of Chutki. Make a curve, make a bumpy line, and we will just color it the center portion. We can even make the eyelashes, the eyebrows. Let's make nosy and a smiley. And our Chutki is ready. Wow. It's looking so pretty, isn't it? Yes, so our Chutki is ready. Now children, you all can just take a sketch pen and trace the full picture with the sketch pen. Okay, I'm going to wait for you all and then later on we can erase the pencil mark. Just erase the pencil mark. Okay. Now coming to the cute little face of Chutki. So for that, I am just going to make it little pinkish in color. Okay. So I'm just going to take pink color. I'm just going to mix it up with the white also, okay? Because I don't have baby pink color. So I'm just going to take pink and I'm going to mix it up with the white color so that I can make a baby pink color. So I'm going to smudge it also nicely. Pink Chutki is going to be pinkish in color, okay? You can even do skin color, but I am going to make it little pinkish in color like this. Okay, see, she's looking really very cute, isn't it? If you wish, you can just add a little bit of skin color also. And I am just going to mix it up nice. Now what we can do is we can just take a sketch pen and we can again just trace the eyes and eyebrows and everything. Okay? Yes. We can just make the eyebrows look beautiful. We can create the smile of Chutki and it's done. Okay? Done everybody? Yes. Now let's move ahead and again we are going to give strokes for the hair of Chutki, okay? Don't color it, just give beautiful strokes like this of Chutki's hair, okay? Over here also, we can just make strokes like this for Chutki's hair and we can color it nicely. Now we can take red color and we can just make a bindi of Chutki. See, now she's looking so cute with a bindi. And for Chota Bheem, we can just make a tilak. Okay? So our Chota Bheem and Chutki, both of them are looking really, really cute. Isn't it, children? So our Chutki, Raju and Bheem are ready. So now come on, children. Let's take a scissor and let's cut the pictures with the help of a scissor. Now what are we going to do is we can just take any colorful paper. See, I'm just going to take this blue color. Okay. And what are we going to do? Keep it in a sleeping position. Apply a Fevicol on the edge portion like this and fold it. Okay. Come on. Let's fold the paper because we will just require a strip of that paper. So fold it nicely so that it gets sturdy. Okay. And we will cut it. Yes, let's cut it nicely. So one strip is ready. Similarly, we will require three colorful strips of any different size. So this is a bookmark which is ready. We can keep this inside our book. I'll show you. See, if this is a diary or your homework book, we can just keep this bookmark inside any of your page so that your page doesn't go anywhere. And see, this is a bookmark which we can use it. Isn't it amazing? So we have created three bookmarks, children, where we can write our name also. Okay. If you want to write your name or your initials over here, you can write it. If you want to gift it to your friends, you can write your friend's name as well. So this is what we have created today. Isn't it amazing, everybody?